Hi, it's Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own sound for Snapchat story. But before I start with the video, please subscribe to my channel. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat app. Once you have opened it up, go to the sounds at the top right, click on like the music icon. And then what you want to do is click on create sound, that is where popular is right on the line. Create sound, then you can record or upload from camera. Let's say I want to record. You just hold this while you talk or create a sound or whatever. Once you are done, you can make the sound name, make it public. Then you basically click on save sound and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also if you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.